If you have an ash tree and you're replacing it because of the emerald ash borer, consider a river birch tree. At Highland Hill Farm, we have lots of river birches because river birches are real easy to grow, and we like to grow easy to grow trees. They're also very hardy. A river birch tree will grow in almost any location where you find an ash tree. So if you need an ash tree replacement, think about the river birch tree. It's also somewhat deer resistant when you get a 3-stemmed tree. We have river birches at Highland Hill Farm. You can call us at 215-651-8329 for river birches. We have seedlings and large trees available as well. Thank you for visiting Highland Hill Farm in Bucks County, PA.